What's up, guys?
We kind of got a late start to today. It's about 8:30, and we're going to our local Cars and Coffee, which is actually called Gears and Grinds. Yes, I finally fixed my fitment issue, or wheel spacer issue rather. The fitment isn't all quite there yet. Yes, you heard right. I paid a little over $500 just for my spacer setup, and that is due to some mistakes and some, I guess, adjusting here and there. But you know, I did my math right. Ain't nothing more accurate than the actual thing itself. But here's the breakdown. So I bought 2.5-inch extended wheel studs for all four corners, which costed me about maybe 30 to 40 per pack. Then I bought the 20mm slip-on spacers by Muteki for about 175. After realizing they didn't fit, I bought the 12mm Muteki spacers for about 150. And then not to mention the open-ended lug nuts that I bought, which costed about $100, and that was just off of Amazon. I'm trying to do the math off the top of my head, so that's 100, plus 150 is 250, 250, plus 425, 585, holy shit. Almost $600, definitely overpaid. But I'll put the exact prices up here somewhere on the screen. If you want the real reason why I overspent so much, you can check out my install video, and I probably could have done it at literally a quarter of the cost if I just went the bolt-on spacer route. Long story short. Any regrets? Nope. It was a learning process, and I future-proofed the car for its possible future track use if I do end up tracking it. I'm still kind of on the fence because this is like my baby. I just want to take care of it and not worry about too much damage that could potentially happen on the track. But let's get our car cleaned up. A little late, we might not get a good spot, but let's see what happens when we get there. So the weather has been horrible the last couple of days here in Vegas, so everybody's trying to get their car washed. And look at this Durango, super dirty. It's been super windy, rainy. Wind speeds up to what, 50 miles an hour. It's crazy. Mine's garage kept, but I'm just doing a quick touchless wash to try and like get it kind of car meet ready. So we're here at the car meet. It's actually a lot of people that turned up today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some photos of anything that I see cool. So I met a few people over at the Cars and Coffee, and they kind of have pretty much exactly what I'm looking for, which is experience on the track. I know I said I wasn't going to track this car, but now that I know people that are inviting me out and can kind of coach me through it, it's a little more tempting. So I got the GoPro on my head, and what we're going to do here is just get some POV shots of me filming the car, because I know some of y'all are really into POV, if you know what I mean. But yeah, let's see how $600 spent on spacers looks on the car. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little mini cinematic of the new spacers. I'm a little under the weather right now, so I'm not going to do anything too exciting, but I'm just going to go ahead and kind of detail the car a little bit, left from the leftover water spots here from the wash yesterday. But before I end the video, I actually wanted to ask you guys what you guys think I should get in terms of coilovers, because I think we're going to lower this car to the height that it deserves now. I was leaning towards Race Comp Engineering or BC Racing. I know those are two different price points, but I figured, you know, you get what you pay for with coilovers. So, and I do kind of want it to be track ready as well as dailyable. So let me know what you guys are running on your car. It doesn't have to be an 8.6, but I just kind of want to get a feel for what brands people highly recommend out there. But really leaning towards Race Comp Engineering, actually. Well guys, as always, thank you for watching. Be sure to tune in every week, 10 a.m. every Wednesday for a new video. And be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next week.
Yeah. Run it back, let it pass through. Eye contacts making statues. Yeah. One glance and she had you with that heartbreak like a tattoo.
Oh, what you want from me, girl? Cause I've been giving for a long time, and I ain't never ever asked you for nothing, but you're still frontin'. You act like it's all on me, yeah. Now it's time for me to move on. Let me put them shoes on, yeah. And all of those regrets I had, I gotta get you back. I'm unwell.